So now we'll move on to exercise 26C. First question, calculate the mean, median and the mode of the following numbers. So this is individual data they are given, score, only score they are given. So 17, 19, 11, 23, 19. First we will find out what is mean. So you know already, mean is equal to sigma x by m, that is sum of the scores by number of scores. So you have to add 17 plus 19 plus 11 plus 23 plus 19 divided by number of scores 5. So add this. So 9 plus 3, 12, 13, 13 plus 9, 22, 22 plus 7, 22 plus 7, 29, 22 plus 7, 29, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 89 by 5. So 5 ones, 5, 4, 3 remains, 5 7 ja, 35, 5 7 ja, 35, 4 remains. So you can do directly. So how much this is? 9, 11, 10, 11, 12, 13, 9. 13, 9 is 22, 22 plus 7, 22 plus 7, 29. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 89 by 5. 89 divided by 5. 3, 39. 5 7 ja 35. 4.0. 5 8 ja 40. So 17.8 is the mean. Now find out median. So what you have to do to find out median? First you have to arrange the data in ascending order. So first one is 11. Next, after this 17. Next 19. Next 11, 17, 19. 11, 17, 19 two times. 19 two times. Okay. Next 23. Okay. Here n is equal to 5. So this is nothing but a odd number. So we can find out in the two ways. One, we can find out the middlemost score. So middlemost score is what here? 19. Middlemost score is 19. Here median is equal to 19. Or you can use the formula odd number n plus 1 by 2th observation. That also we can find out. Third observation, that is nothing but 19. Next is how to find out mode. Mode we have to find out. So by observing the variates we can say. So which is the more repeated? So 19 is more repeated. Therefore we can say 19 because it repeated how many times? 2 times. Or we can use the empirical formula, that is, or we can use mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So that formula also we can use to find out the, okay. So 3 median, 3 into, what is median? We got 19 minus 2 into 17.8. 93 is 57. So 2 8 is 16. 14, 15, 3. So 35.6. 57, 0, 35.6. 1 minus 6 is 4. 1, 2. So this formula also we can use 21 point formula, but no need. So we can find out directly using the mode formula. Thus mode is equal to 19 is repeated 2 times. So most observed value we have to take. So that is, so how to find out the mean? So first I calculated mean using the formula sigma x by n. So you will add all the scores and divide it by number of scores. You will get the answer 17.8. Next, median is you can find out by arranging the data in ascending order. Here n is equal to 5, odd number. We can use the formula also, that is median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation when n is odd. Or we can find out which is the middlemost score in this case, because odd number we can find out directly the middlemost score, and that is nothing but a mode, median. So mode also it is repeated 2 times, so which is repeated more number of times in this score. So 19 is repeated 2 times, therefore we can say mode is equal to 19. So remaining sums, second, third and fourth sums in this question, we can do it as, take it as a homework and do it in your home. So note down this sum. So we go on to next question, that is the marks of 10 students of a class in an examination arranged in ascending order. They are arranged in ascending order is as follows: 13, 35, 43, 46, x plus 4, 55, 61, 71, 80. If median marks is 48, find x and also find the mode. Okay. So what is the data they are given? 13, 35, 43, 46, x plus 4, 55, 61, 71, 80. So median also they are given. Median marks they are given as 48. So after arranging the data, so here how many scores are there? 10 scores. 1, 2, 3. So here n is equal to 10. That is even number. So what is the formula to find the median? Median is equal to 1 by 2 of n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. So this is the formula. Correct? So substitute the values in the formula. So median already they are given. So what is median marks? 48. 48 is equal to 1 by 2 of n by 2th observation. N is how much? 10. 10 by 2th observation plus 10 by 2 plus 1 observation. So 48 is equal to 1 by 2 fifth observation plus 6th, 5 plus 1, 6th observation. So 48 is equal to half into. So what is 5th observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, x. What is 6th observation? X plus 4. 48 is equal to half into x plus x, 2x plus 4. 48 is equal to half into. So I will take 2 common out. So what remains here inside? X plus 2 and 2 cancels here. So 48 is equal to x plus 2. Therefore x is equal to 48 minus 2. If you plus 2 comes to LHS, it becomes minus 2. So x is equal to 46. So this is the x value we got. This is the x value. Find the value of x. We got 46. They are asking us to find out the mode. So now wherever x is there, I will substitute the value. Now again score. Second part. To find mode. To find the mode. So 13 is there, 35, 43, 46, again 46 because x value is 46. Then 46 plus 4, this is nothing but 50. Next 55, 61, 55, 61, 71, 8. Here more repeated score. Which is the more repeated score here? 46 is the more repeated score. Therefore what happens? Therefore mode is equal to, what you have to write? 46. More repeated score is 46. Therefore mode is equal to 46. So what we did here? First you have to write the data because already it is arranged in the ascending order. Here n is equal to 10, even number. Therefore you have to find out median is equal to half of n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. So substitute the values. Median also they are given. Substitute the values. Solve for x. X is equal to 46 we got. Now again arrange the data. Wherever x is there, you substitute with the 46. Here 46, here 46 plus here 46, 46 plus 4, that is 50. So remaining as it is. So now which is the more repeated score? 46 is the more repeated score. Therefore mode is equal to 46. So note on this.